You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing names from Dragon Ball Z, Super Saiyan, and more vocabulary from the series, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. Some say, I believe, as cauliflower, just like cauliflower, and certainly the name is inspired by it, but it's generally pronounced simply caulifla, or some say it as caulifla as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.